Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about an international website which is called BeautyBigBang, and they sent over some of the stuff from their website for the review purpose, and I received it day before yesterday, and so I thought I should let you know guys what exactly I got, how this website works, what kind of products are there, and I have not used any of these products. They're like really new to me, so we'll put everything on the test today on this particular video, and then we'll see whether they are like really worth buying or not. So BeautyBigBang is one of the international website which ships worldwide, and you get some dirt cheap makeup products over there, some nice eyeshadows, brushes, skincare products, healthcare products, then some beautiful lipsticks and whatnot. There's so much stuff to try on, and I got this packet day before yesterday, like I mentioned, and the shipping takes usually 2 to 3 weeks. So I got my order in about I think 20 working days, and it comes by post, so you just have to keep a check on where your package is. So they provide you the tracking details and they actually work, so which is like the best part about it, because sometimes when it comes to the international website which are not so very known, for them, you know, sometimes the tracking doesn't work, their customer care doesn't work, something like that. But these people are like really responsive. I'll have the description box filled with all the details which are related to the BeautyBigBang, and so that in case you guys are interested in placing your order after watching this video, you can go ahead and just place your order. Everything is like really dirt cheap, and you get some really amazing dupes of eyeshadow palettes which are like everywhere in the market right now, like the Huda eyeshadow palette, and there's so much more that you can try on. Also, I'll be leaving a coupon code in the description box below as well as on the screen, so that in case you are planning to do your very first purchase, you can use the coupon code and save some money. So let's just begin and see what exactly I got. So I get total 3 products here and 1 card by them. So here is the card, and it's called beautybigbang.com. So they have just mentioned, you know, it's just a card. And then I received one of the eyeshadow palette and 2 liquid lipsticks. So let's just quickly show you how these products looks like, and then we're gonna put everything on the test. So I've actually done rest of my makeup other than my eyes and my lips, so that we can actually try these products and see whether they really work or not. So moving on with the very first product that I received is this particular beautiful eyeshadow palette. It is so similar to your MAC eyeshadow palettes, right? And I really love this one, and it has total 9 eyeshadows, and you have a variety to choose from these palettes. I picked up palette number 03. I thought that this is going to be a very neutral everyday sort of palette which you can always keep it in your bag when you are traveling, because these are these sort of colors that you need on a daily basis, right? You can just create some dramatic eyes, or maybe you can just have these colors as a wash on all of your eyelids and you are sorted. Works great for the office purpose, works great for the outing, or for any, you know, smoky eye look for the night time or whatever. It's just up to you how you like to use. So I think the colors are like really beautiful. There are other variations as well, you can check out yourself on the website, but this is something that suits me a lot, so I picked up this particular stuff. The next 2 products that I received are these liquid lipsticks. So I picked up 2 different liquid lipsticks from 2 different variants. One is the shade number 01, and it's called Seraphine. It's a red, blood red sort of color, and there's another one in this particular range which has a gold packaging. I think it looks very beautiful and very similar to your Anastasia liquid lipsticks, right? And these one look very similar to your Stila liquid lipsticks, just in my opinion. And this particular product called 01, it's called Catherine. So there are a lot of color range you can choose from. There were a lot of pinks, there were a lot of nudes, red shades, and also some very edgy shades like sky blue color was there, and some deep blue shade was there, some green color, mint green color was there. But I thought for the review purpose, let me pick out, you know, let me pick some of the colors which are like most wearable and not look very odd on the screen. So that's why I just picked up. So about the packaging, I absolutely love the packaging. It has a very nice sort of magnetic closer. It's very beautiful, very nicely built up, does not look cheap at all. Very, you know, it's not very lightweight also. When I feel it, it feels bulky, so the packaging is really amazing. Even for the liquid lipstick also, it feels really nice, especially this particular one. It looks very similar to your Anastasia liquid lipstick. So this is something I really liked about both the lipsticks. And I'll have the prices of all the 3 products in the description box below in case you want to try the exact same products that I'm trying today, so you can have a look. And these all the products are like cruelty free. They are made in China, and these liquid lipsticks are like 0.21 ounce in each bottle, and these are like matte liquid lipsticks, and they have the 24-month of the shelf life, which is amazing. And for the eyeshadow, you have, again, it's a cruelty free. You have 0.31 ounce of the product inside this particular box, and again, it's made in China, and the shelf life is again 24 months. So something really good, right? And let's just put everything on the test and let's see how they work. So I'm gonna pick out some of my makeup brushes and see how they work. I'll have the swatches of all these things on my hands as well on the screen in this video, so don't worry about that. We'll just quickly start with some of the eye makeup. Let me pull you guys a little closer. I think I'll take this particular shade first to fill up into my crease. It's a matte shade, little bit kickback over there, but not much. Let me just put it. Oh, there is a lot of kickback. I don't know if you guys can see, but there is some. This color is quite similar to my skin tone, doesn't show up much, but I don't see any other transition shade as such in this particular palette, so I'm bound to use this particular one. Let's just take this particular pink shade and just spread it everywhere on my eyes. But the best part is it shows up on my eyes. Not sure if you guys can see it on my eyes, but it has done a decent job in getting spread on all over my eyelids. And also you can always spray your brush and just increase the pigmentation, so there is no, you know, restriction over there. But I think it's a nice color to be used on a daily basis because it's not like too much over there, and something to have a good wash of color on your eyes on a regular basis if you are into eyeshadows. And you can just have it on your eyes, and just you can actually use this color for your office work as well, you know, for the office purpose. Like if you are into makeup and you like to wear some eyeshadows on your eyes on a daily basis, this is the sort of color you can go for. Just a little wash on your eyes. Let me take some color for my inner corners. I think I want to go for this sort of steel gray color, and it's very pigmented, guys. Yeah, it's very pigmented. Let's just add this bronzy shade at the outer corner of my eyes, just to see the pigmentation. So this is decently pigmented. I think this palette is amazing for the daily purpose because the colors are pigmented, but they're not like very pigmented, very bold sort of shade. You can go really subtle with your eye makeup with this palette. That's what I'm feeling. So here is the finished look of my eyes, and I think I really like it. The palette is not like bomb pigmented, but it's not bad either. I like the color that they are great for the everyday wear. You don't have to be worried about like whether this color will, you know, just look too much on my eyes or something like that. So you can go really subtle with such palette, and I think it's a great everyday sort of makeup palette. I think I absolutely loved it for the factor that I can be really safe when I have this palette, and I can just go for an everyday sort of eye makeup look on everyday basis. So this is my version of doing everyday sort of eye makeup look. I'm using sort of a lot in this video, right? Count it if you want to. Why I said that? Because I get so many comments saying like that, you said this word so many times, you said this word so many times, like that. So if you want to count, you can go ahead and count, no issues with that. Or maybe I'll just count myself and I let you know how many times I use the word sort of in this video. Okay, so moving on to the next two products that I have for you guys are these two liquid lipsticks. Colors are colors are kind of same, but this is more towards the warm tone side, like it has more orangey tone to it, and this one is more like burgundy tone. Let me swatch both the colors side by side for you. I have to show you the wand also, right? So that is how the wand looks like. Nothing fancy about it. It's like typical duo fort applicator, but I love the smell of these lipsticks. They have a very fruity sort of smell. I think I really like it, and let's just swatch it. Okay, it's very creamy, guys. It's very creamy. It reminds me a lot of my Essence liquid lipsticks. They are like again super creamy, and it's more like NYX matte lip creams, like a very moussey formula liquid lipstick. So this is the first shade that I picked up. I'm gonna swatch this shade right next to this one. Again, same smell, no difference. Applicator is also same, and here we go. Again, the texture is very, very, very similar, and this is how the color looks like. It's very deep undertone it has, and that is more like warm undertone, like more orangey. Let me know which particular one I should go for. I think I want to go for this one. It's just the summertime. I feel like using this shade rather than this one. So let's just do it. I have a little lip balm on all over my lips. Let's do it. Okay, so it goes really creamy on my lips. Do you see that? It's very creamy. Okay, so this is how it looks on my lips, and I think I absolutely love this color. It's very summer and spring sort of color. It looks very vibrant, and if you are a lover of red lipstick, I'm sure you will love it. It has a nice orangey undertone to it, and it's not sticky at all. Feels very comfortable on my lips. Even when I'm doing like this, the color is actually not going away anywhere, which is a good thing about it. Like when I'm looking into my mirror, I think I really love it, and the kind of finish that I can see on my lips in my mirror, it looks very velvety. I am literally sold for this color. I really didn't expect that this color will have such a great quality, considering they are like unknown to start with, unknown brand, made in China, because so many people have problem with the for the factor that these cosmetics are made in China, so they may not be really good for the skin. But let me tell you, MAC, NYX, all these cosmetics are also made in China, so just decide yourself whether you really want to go for the made in China products or not. I really don't have any issues with that, honestly. It's already set to the matte, so it's not going away anywhere. Little bit transfer proof because it's still in a process of getting fully matte, but it feels really comfortable on the lips. I don't feel my lips are feeling any dry or anything. I think I love this shade, guys. It's such a pretty color. Even though I'm not a fan of red shades, you guys know how much I'm into pink and nude colors, but I'm sold for this color. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Highly recommend this particular line to you guys. If you're a lover of red, go for this color. I'll have these product details mentioned in the description box below, so just go and get this stuff for yourself. Plus you have my coupon code also, so save some money and go for it. I think I love all the three products that I received. all these 3 products. This palette is also something I'm not hating. Honestly, I have so many like bomb.com sort of makeup products, I mean eyeshadow palettes, which are like pigmented like hell, where you have to be really careful when you are applying them on your eyes. This palette is really safe. I love the color composition. I love the quality of these products. And these lipsticks are like my new favorite. Honestly guys, not because the products are sent to me, it's I have to rave about it. Honestly, you guys are seeing everything on the screen and I'm literally in love with these products. My favorite has to be this liquid lipstick. If you want to go and buy some of the products from the website and you're not sure what to go for, I think go for these lipsticks. They are like bomb.com. And yeah, that's all about today's video. Let me know how did you like this video. In case you have already done some purchase from the BeautyBigBang, let me know what your experience has been. I had a good experience. I did not have to worry about my shipping or anything. Tracking was up to the mark and the customer care was amazing as well, and the products are really amazing. They come really secure, really packed. Nothing was literally smashed or anything. So I kind of loved everything that I received. And let me know, are you planning to buy anything after watching this video? How did you like this video? Which is the one is your favorite product out of the 3, even though there's not too many of the products, but out of the 3, which is the one which you loved? And yeah, that's all for the day. I think I am in love with these products. I'm really happy that I received these products and I'm really loving these products. So yeah. Okay, that's enough for the day. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, you guys take care and bye.